So, class, welcome back again. Nice to see you. Okay, in the earlier lecture, we have seen introduction to OpenCV and installation of OpenCV. And as discussed earlier in this lecture, we are going to see working with images and working with PDOs. Okay, so let's start working with images. So, first of all, for that, I need to share my screen. So, let me share my screen with you all. Okay, I hope everything is visible to everyone there. Okay. Now working with images. So the first thing that I'm gonna do there is I'll import the libraries. So as I mentioned earlier, I'll be importing two libraries here. The first library is NumPy. So import NumPy as np, and then second I'll be importing my CV2 library, which is computer vision library. So import CV2 from CV2. Okay. Now let's run this cell. There's an invalid syntax. Let's change this from CV2 import CV2. Now let's check this. Okay, it's quite working fine. After this, I'll be assigning a variable. Which variable? My image variable. So let's assign that. For that, I'm naming it as image. So image is equal to, that's the name of a variable. I'll be writing CV2 dot imRead, and in bracket I'll be passing in path of an image, whichever image I want to pass there, and whichever image I want to load or I want to view, I'll be passing the path of that image there. So let me check any image there. .jpg. Okay, let's check this. Copy path, and just I'll be pasting it there. Okay, I have pasted the path of an image there. After pasting the path, I'm just double slashing it to avoid Unicode escape error. Okay. After that, I'll be giving the channel there. I'll discuss the channel wala part after the code is complete. After that, I'll be writing cv2 dot imshow, and in bracket I'll be naming it image comma my variable image. Okay, this is done. And after that, I'll be doing cv2 dot wait key bracket 0 and cv2 dot destroy caps all windows, and call this. So if I run this, let me show you. Let me make the proper alignment. Okay, if I run this, say this. This is the image that I have called. Okay, using this imRead function. Let's discuss the syntax each and every line there. So the first two lines are nothing but importing the libraries. So I'll just comment it out. Importing the libraries. After that, I'll just calling and reading the image with channel. Okay. Now what is channel there? The channel that I have mentioned there, 1230. Let me check it out. Let's check what is channel. Channel in OpenCV. Or specifically, it is termed as flag. Let me specify properly. Flag in OpenCV. Let me open this. Say this. So there are n numbers of flag in OpenCV. So it starts from 1 to this one will convert the as it is image to me. This 2 will convert the normal color image into a grayscale image, and so on. Okay, so you can try n numbers of flag there according to the requirement. Let's try this 2 wala flag there. So instead of 1, I'll put 2 there, and if I run this, see, you can see the changes there. So my normal color image got converted into a grayscale image, right? We can see there. So this flag parameter or channel parameter is of utmost importance. We have seen that it converted our normal color image into a grayscale image. If that image would have been a black and white, we had not gone the result as it is, because black and white image converted into a grayscale image is one and the same, right? Hence, our color image is converted into a black and white image, the grayscale image. After that, I am show function. This is for viewing the image. Okay, the first is calling the image and reading the image. The second one is for showing the image. Third one, wait key. Wait key is for how many milliseconds this image is gonna stand on the screen. So if I put this wait key as 1, and if I run it again, see, it was just for a fraction of second it worked, and it just gone there. Getting it? So it is millisecond. If I put the 5000 there, and again if I run this, it will be there on the screen for 5 seconds, and then later on it will vanish. Okay, I think everyone is able to understand what I'm telling to say. So I'll comment it out and write it there. Viewing the image for milliseconds. So what does this 0 does in this wait key? So if I put 0 in this wait key, and it will be there till I press cross there. Getting it? It won't vanish because I have put 0 there. It will be there on the screen till I press the cross button there. What will happen if I put 10,000 there? And if I run this, so this image will be there on the screen for 10 seconds. See this, it will be vanished after 10 seconds. So on this screen, it will be there for 10 seconds. And at last, cv2.destroy all windows is used for closing all this operation after all these things are done. Okay. So all this operation, all this window, the image ka window that is getting pop up after calling this will be destroyed after using this cv2.destroy window. So I'll write it there. Closing. I hope everybody is clear with the code. So the first two lines are importing the libraries. Then we are calling the path of an image. After that, the flag parameter just beside the path of an image. Then later on the IAMShow function, which will show my image. After that, wait key for displaying the image for the number of seconds that we need. And at last, cv2.destroy all windows. So what we have done is we viewed both the image, normal image, by just inserting the word one there. So as it is, the image will pop up to me, okay, for 10 seconds, because the wait key is for 10,000, right? So this image will be present for 10 seconds, the normal image, the original image as it is was. And if I put the 2 instead of 1, and if I run this, you can see the difference, right? So this was with image.